All right, so we got a really interesting collaboration that probably none of you guys will care about. But if you know me, I am a Bach boy. I love Reebok. The Workout Plus Pro or whatever workout and whatever garbage is attached to the rest of the shoe. One of my favorites. I have 2 pairs of those. Been waiting for Reebok to come out with some new designs for it, which they have not. It's always the Club C and the Classic, so kind of disappointing there, but this collaboration has a ton of potential in my opinion, and we have at least the sneakers shown off so far. We got some prices, we got some dates, and some information that I'm going to show off for you guys. So as the title says, as you guys can see on screen, this is Reebok and the Jetsons and the Flintstones. So a huge collaboration with Boomerang's old shows, the Jetsons and the Flintstones. If you guys haven't seen those, they're old cartoons that used to run on TV. I'm not sure if they still have them, probably because they're just classic, but I haven't seen these in a minute, but I know I watched a ton of the Flintstones back in the day, and I feel like this collaboration is definitely more Flintstone heavy than it is Jetsons heavy, and the Flintstone designs are definitely better. But with that being said, we have some promotional images that show off the shoes, so we're going to check out those. We have right here first the Insta Pump Fury, I believe it is. I'm not super familiar with the Reebok silhouettes, so bear with me if I butcher some of them when I look at them, but I think this is the tab, yeah. So we'll go to this one first. This is going to have a bunch of the promotional images, so you guys can see a first look at a lot of the collaboration pieces. You can see Fred Flintstone right here, and then George Jetson, main characters from the shows. And then we have a stack of sneakers for said collaboration. I think somewhere I read that it was 8 silhouettes, 8 sneakers dropping, and then we're going to get apparel as well, which I'm excited to see the apparel. We haven't had any of that shown off, but I feel like there might be some cool Reebok designs, because they usually go kind of like the Kith route where they do the Reebok logo and then work in like a character or some type of style from the collaborator. So I'm excited to see it. Hopefully that turns out pretty cool. But here we go. We got Stack. I'm not sure what this top one is. Looking very basic. And then I think this one is the Revenge. And then maybe the Nano. I'm not familiar with a lot of the newer silhouettes, but there's those 3 there. I think we have Jetsons on the bottom right, and then the top 2, obviously, the Flintstones. So I'm really not feeling this like party rock LMFAO style one. This Revenge or Club C, I want to say that's Revenge with like how this Reebok logo is, but I think that's what it is. Regardless, I do like this one. This one's pretty cool. Would I rock it? Probably not, but like from a collaboration and the design standpoint, I do like it. I think it's pretty dope. And then moving on to this one, like I can see what they're going for. Just, I don't know, a lot of the tones that they tried to hit with the Jetsons weren't really like vibing with me, so I don't like this one. And then a lot of the like animal print patterns were a miss for me too. Like this one is just trash in my opinion, but at least this one, it's a lot tamer, more chill, like kind of the pattern that the characters wore on their clothing rather than some of the animals that you'd see in that show, which were like really vibrant colors. But there's those ones. I think, yeah, moving forward, we have a closer look at the one we just saw, or is that a different one? Let me see. Scroll back up. Oh yeah, so that's a different one. You can see the tongue is different, and then the back by your ankle is this little tiger, I guess, that I think this is Bam Bam, or maybe that's one of the other kids, I don't know. And then Elroy. Both of these are kind of trash. I do like, I will say, I do like the tongue on this one, how it has the jagged edge. I think that's a cool detail, but these are trash. I really don't like the kind of like static effect they have on the sole for the Leroy, the Jetson one, or Elroy. Moving forward, we have the animals. I think it's Pluto, and then Dino, maybe Pebbles. I don't know. But both the animals, and this is actually my favorite one. I love this magenta they call it like Pursuit Pink. And we'll take a look at the sneakers in a little bit at a more close, detailed perspective. But I really love this one. This is the Zig Kinetica 2, I believe. And they got so much going on in this, but a lot of really cool detailing, in my opinion. And man, like the leathers, you got this like darker brown, tannish, like caramelish leather right here, and I think this is actually rubber. You have like a lighter brown, a tan rubber going here that accents that really well. And then there's also hints of orange, I think, on the other side, and then with the stitching right here too. So that like all ties in really well. Just loving this silhouette. I'm definitely going for this one. Other two, pretty tame, you know. This is the one that actually, yeah, these are both the other ones that we saw. Nothing for Pluto so far, or whatever his name is. I'm probably butchering a lot of the character names, but here's the leading one we saw. Moving forward, we have another kind of like rigid top one, looking real basic. This is for Betty. I don't know. One of the ladies from the Flintstones, she has the pearl necklace right here. So they have the little pearls on the bottom of the lace, which I like the idea, but the execution or just like the final product, I don't like how it looks. Another cool thing though that I thought they did, we saw the kind of jagged, the cut tongue before. This time we also have the cut toe material wrapping around, which I think is cool. I do like this. And then we also have whatever this one's supposed to be, I'm guessing Jetsons. Maybe that's for the wife, since they have the other wife's shoe right there, but not feeling this one. I don't like the metallic that they have going on here. This color though, with this sole, reminds me of the Cardi B collab that they had a while back. But yeah, so here's like Fred's friends, Barney's wife, I think, is I guess who that's modeled after. Maybe, I don't know. And then the daughter or the wife, I don't know, man. It's been a long time, but those are the promotional images that we have for them. We are going to have more images, but before we get into that, I wanted to go over some information that we have back here. So this write-up over on Reebok News, of all places, has a ton of information. And, you know, keep in mind, we didn't even see this one. So here's the prices, though. Classic leather, $100. Classic leather legacy AZ, $110. The Zig Kinetica 2 Edge, which I think is the one that I like, modeled after Dino, $150. The Instapump Fury 94, $200, which I believe is this one right here, unless they have another Instapump. Looks like it's just one. And then they have two more Zig Kinetica 2s. Not the Edge version. You save $10. They're both $140. We got the Nano, which is $140. The Club C, $100, and then the Club C Legacy, also $100. And they all have different write-ups. Like you can pause, read what you want, the information about the characters and things like that. But moving forward, we also get some more information. I think somewhere down here. Anyway. It's going to be available April 5th for Reebok Unlocked members, which I think is a free membership. You just sign up and you get in there. They send you like early access. And then it's going to become globally available April 8th. So we're going to head over to Reebok now. I guess before that, I'll also mention this portion right here is what I was looking for. So paired with the footwear collection is a range of graphic apparel, including short and long sleeve tees, as well as women's crew, all of which reference, blah, 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 different places in the universe. The apparel line also features women's athletic wear, leggings, sports bra, bike short. Interesting. So a lot of cool pieces. I'm really excited to see the apparel that drops alongside this. And now we're going to take a closer look at the sneakers that are dropping. So we saw that list, and I don't think they're all here. Like the Instapump Fury one definitely isn't showing up here. So I'm thinking that one could be an unlocked exclusive. They do say they're releasing the 5th, which is the time that opens up for unlocked, but the global's April 8th, I want to say it said. But anyway, the Instant Pump Fury is not there. So I'm thinking maybe it's like a special members exclusive, or maybe they'll update it later. I don't know. But these are the sneakers. I don't really care about this one. This one also, just not really feeling it. This one I don't think we saw, so I'll take a look at it. But this one is trash. It really like is a good comparison between the Zig Kinetica Edge for Dino, and it just shows like how dope the other one is and just how trash this one is. I do like the little antenna. That is funny. But let's see. I want to show you the close-up of the Dino shoe. That like hiking style right here. This is so dope. I love this. This is very, very cool in my opinion. Yeah. So here's all the different product images, the angles that you got for it, coming in at $150 like we saw before. It's got Vibram on the back. I'm not sure if that's related to the Flintstones or if that's just like the rubber material. I'm guessing that might be the case, but I'm just not sure. Like I said, probably the case, especially since they had on the bottom too. But yeah, this is just looking real dope. I can't wait to get this. Insoles, real fun too. You got some you got some meat, some eggs, a snake, and then a big old tongue from the Dino. Little collaboration hit right there. So here's the box that comes in, looking real cool. Also very, very cool packaging and stuff. I've ordered from one other Reebok collaboration. I got the Reebok Ghostbusters, which is kind of funny. They just restocked or re-released the ones I got, these right here, the Ghost Smashers. Packaging was crazy on them. I don't know, people sleep on Reebok. I'm a big fan of Reebok. Bach boy, you guys know what's up. But yeah, the other ones not really feeling, like this one. All three of these, just a Jetson one I don't think we saw before, trash. And then we have this last one right here, the second Zig Kinetica 2, not the Edge though. So this one I guess looking a little bit better. Kind of got some like, what is that, Yeezy like 700 looking stuff going on the side with the waves, but not feeling these. Although as far as the Jetson silhouettes go, releases go, this is probably my favorite one, which isn't saying much. But yeah, that is the Reebok Flintstones Jetsons collaboration. Let me know what you guys think about it. Are you excited? Are you planning on going for anything? Do you like the Zig Kinetica 2 Edge? I don't know, let me know. But yeah, for sure going for these. If I get them, I'll do an unboxing. As always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.